Hey! Today I'm going to show you guys how to get free Nintendo eShop gift cards, codes, whatever you need. So head for zestcoupons.com, and as you can see, it says Nintendo eShop. So we're going to press get code, and then if you can't find it, you can always go to the search bar and type it in. Press show coupon code, and we're just going to wait for it to load. So now we're going to go ahead and press get full code right here, and it's going to load, and it's basically going to have you enter your email address so they can send the code to your email. So make sure you enter your email, they'll send you your code, and then you're going to be good to go. Now bear in mind, apparently there is a deal page that may pop up where it says complete one deal, and it's like a game, and you have to reach like level 18 on it. It's $0, as you can see. So yeah, you might see something like this. Make sure you complete it. If you see it, it's like one deal, so it just says complete one, and then you'll get your eShop gift card, guys. So just enter your email address, and then you're gonna be good to go. So I'm gonna see you guys later. Be subscribed to the channel. This is super cool, guys, and it totally works. So if this video works to you guys, be sure to go ahead and share it. Just remember, the website is zestcoupons.com, guys. That's a so unique website. They have all the hot stuff, bro. So anyway, guys, I'm on the site, and I'm gonna go, and I'm just gonna type in eShop, and as you see, it should come up. Yeah, eShop promo codes right there. So that's how you do it, guys. So be sure to try it out. It's super cool, and this fully works in 2025. So yeah, this is insane, guys. So if you need eShop codes, be sure to try us out because it's super cool, and it totally works, guys. So yeah, get the word out. This is super awesome, and it's like updated and everything. So I'm gonna see you guys in another video. Be subscribed to the channel. This is super cool. And I'll see you guys later, and peace out.